You've landed on Paracord Planet, and in today's video, we'll show you not one, but two Paracord bracelets inspired by George R.R. Martin and HBO's House of the Dragon. House of the Dragon is a Game of Thrones prequel where two Targaryen bloodlines, the Blacks and the Greens, fight tooth and claw for the Iron Throne. Now, let's make a dragon's teeth paracord bracelet for Rhaenyra's faction. Here's what you'll need for supplies. We chose Red Knight and Burgundy 550 paracord to represent the traditional Targaryen house colors. And we added a gunmetal buckle to represent Dragonstone. Now let's begin. First, set up the jig to accommodate your wrist size, plus about an inch or 2.5 centimeters to leave extra room for the weave. Then, attach your buckle. Next, fold your Red Knight in half and pass the fold down through the front of the top buckle. Then, pull your running ends through that bite. Now, at the bottom of the jig, pass your running ends down through the front of the buckle. Then take the ends up through the center, through the back of the buckle, along the outer edges, pull through, and take them under their own respective bites. Back at the top of the jig, pass your ends up through the back of the buckle, along the outer edges again, to make a 4-strand core. Then take your burgundy cord and go under core strand 4, over 2 and 3, and out under core strand 1, leaving the Red Knight running ends over the top or out of the way. Now you're ready to start the weave. Pass your Red Knight running ends down through the center of the core and off to their respective sides. Then pass Burgundy behind the core, up through the center of core strands 1 and 2, down through the center of core strands 3 and 4. Continue this pattern until you reach the bottom of the core, tightening and pushing the knots up as you go. We're going to keep going and we'll slow down when it's time to finish the bracelet. Now that you're at the bottom of the core, it's time to finish those loose ends. Since the running ends are already on the back side of the bracelet, all you need to do is trim them about 1/4 inch away from the weave. Then hold them over a lighter flame for a few seconds and flatten them down with a knotter's tool or the bottom of your lighter to hold everything in place. Here's how the black bracelet should look when you're done. And here it is compared to the green bracelet. Use the comments to tell us which bracelet you like better and which side you're rooting for in the show. Finally, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Paracord-related content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!